Hi guys, thank you so much for spending your time. Sabi ko nga kay sir, it's very nice to just have a moment of intimacy with the media, and it's very unconventional na dito tayo ngayon kasi sometimes we would always see media coverage or media press cons like sa Grande. Ngayon sa sulok lang tayo, but we make it very worthwhile. So we appreciate everyone for spending your time, and ngayon pa lang, congratulations po sa lahat ng binubuo ng press ko na to, and thank you po for helping Bravo kanina. Hi! Of course.
First question, gano'n ba ka-importante sa'yo na perform?
So, how would you compare sa abroad? Well, aside sa familiarity kasi, it's always an exciting moment when I get to sing with the Filipinos kasi iba yung warmth na binibigay nila, and I feel like I'm home always. But of course, I'm also excited sa idea na I get to sing OPM, and then I get to be myself more with Filipino songs, or even in international scene, when I get to sing an international song to Filipino audience, masarap talaga sa pakiramdam. Kumbaga, hindi ka masyadong kakabahan, may it be with your diction, kasi they will understand na, so ganito yung English niya, ganito yung the way siya kumanta. Ayun, exciting always.
Sharing the stage with ito, first time ba?
First time. Yeah.
Siyempre, expected na yung mga tao, talagang vocal showdown. Are we ready to see one?
Well, I wouldn't say you have to expect na vocal, talaga siya, vocal competition or vocal excellence ng lahat. Kasi nowadays, I learned to understand that vocal power and vocal, vocal ability of a singer has to be vulnerable. Hindi kailangang mataasan. Kasi masyado tayo masyadong nakaib yung idea na si Sofronio, si Miss McQueen, si Sir Jed, ay talagang bumibirit. Pero hindi nila naiintindihan. Ako, based on my experience talaga, I think, I would humbly say, I did a good number of shows sa Amerika. When I get to sing so solemn, when I get to sing so emotional, mas nakaka-touch sila. So that makes it more memorable sa lahat ng mga audience. Thank you. Nice to see you again. Hindi ko rin talaga siya ma-explain eh. Mahiwaga pa rin sa akin always yung idea na nanalo ako. Kasi I really started as a, as someone who makes my dreams bigger than I could imagine. So yung mga nakakatrabaho ko, it's pretty much just my, yung parang, ano ba yung feeling makatrabaho sa ganito? And now, I am slowly making it a reality. Ano siya, pride siya, not just for myself, but I think pride siya ng idea of a Filipino who tries to make it beyond the Philippines. Kasi Filipinos are totoong world-class talaga. Not just in music, honestly. And siguro isa lang ako sa naging eye-opener na, pwede pala. Pero if you make it a point na you listen to every art, dancing, sports, news, talagang mag-excel tayo. Kumbaga technically mayabang talaga yung Pilipino when you get when they have the opportunity to do it. Yeah.
Knowing that you came from a mindset I have to perform and now slowly a few years paano nakakabago sa mindset mo? Why at the same time? Why do you stay home?
Wow, that's a good question. I think the best way to be grounded and And to stay where you started is to understand and be open to learning. Kasi when you are excited to learn every time and when you feel na you have so much more to learn, that's when you know na kaya mo pang maging better than who you are yesterday. At ako naniniwala talaga ako sa sinasabi na dito sa Pilipinas, araw-araw may pinapanganak na mas magaling sa iyo, kaya kailangan mo galingan. Yeah.
Hi. Hi. So nice to meet you.
Nice to
Welcome
meet you.
your journey.
Thank you. Thank you.
And ang galing mo. So sobra ako honored to meet you. So thank you very much, Jamie, from the Vlog Subject Manila. So I love Fan, and I also admire Cesar Michael Ponte. So what advice does he give you when it comes to performing at the big teams for your upcoming Bravo Manila concert?
Oh, wow, that's a good question. I think one memory that I could remember na sinabi niya sa akin is when you think that that certain moment is big, think na may mas malaki pang nakalaan for you. So just have to prepare yourself na if that comes, kailangan mo lang isipin na eto na ba yun? Kasi tulad nung sabi niya, akala niya makakatrabaho niya lang yung mga iniidolo niya, pero sabi niya mas mahihigitan niya pala yung mga iniidolo niya dun sa fact na kaya niya mag-perform bigger stages. So, ayun, marami din siyang tuturo sa akin. Isa pong tinuro niya sa akin is, it doesn't mean you can, you should. So, hindi ibig sabihin na kaya mong bumirit ka ng bumirit. It doesn't mean kung kaya mong kumulot ka ng kumulot. You have to make it the point na lahat ng mga sprinkle mong elements dun sa mga ginagawa mo sa buhay, it has to be calculated and the calculation should be exciting always.
Thank you.
Hi.
I'm Ate from Business Owner. So,
Hi, Ate.
the question is, sharing the stage with Sir Jen and other music artists with you. What was your approach in collaborating with them to make this concert?
Oh, I think my mindset moving forward, reaching that point to be on stage with Sir Jen Madela and Miss Pitwin Escalante is respect. Kasi before I became probably the soprano that you know right now, I was a fan. Iniidolo ko sila kasi talagang nandun na sila sa industriya, and I think most Filipinos know that that's Jen Madela and Miss Pitwin Escalante. So I think it should come from me personally. I think it should come from respect. Kasi that's when I know na talagang magaling sila, at excited ako kasi like I say, I am excited for learning, but for sure I will learn more. Even just, you know, pag nasa conversations kami, may mga nuances akong napapansin na, so that's how they do it pala. Kaya that's why they are the names that we know right now, Jen Madela and Pitwin Escalante.
So, last na is, will we see a difference of during the concert? Or is it going to be the powerful winner of it?
Ano ba pwede kong gawin? Wala pa ako dun sa verge na lumalaban ako kay Sir Gary na sumasayaw. Siguro in the future, but for now, I think you would still see the Sofronio. But if there's one thing na I can share na pwede nilang abangan, siguro yung mga songs na hindi pa nila masyadong naririnig sa akin. Basta abangan na lang. Thank you. Sorry, may akong taba.
Chris from One Music. So, is there any particular performance in the past na witness mo na nag-inspire sa'yo into being the artist that you are now?
Wala naman specific na singer.
Or specific na performance?
Specific
na
na
nag-inspire
performance. Wow, that's a good question. I think it would have to be Sir Martin Rivera. Kasi there's one video that I scrolled YouTube and I saw how powerful he is when he performs. That's why he's called the Concert King. Kasi meron siyang song doon na wala talagang, kumbaga, wala siyang wala siyang tinira. Lahat ng efforts niya, and I think it was a medley, like, and then I was able to spoke with him, tinanong ko siya kung ano yung experience niya dun sa medley na yun. Sinabi niya talaga na one take lang yun. Kumbaga, at nirelease nila sa recording. Yeah, that's when that made me confirm na iba talaga Sir Martin. That's why he's called Concert King, and I want to emulate him more. Hi, Alan. Yeah. Hindi naman siya. Yeah, kasi nung may mga few times kaming nagre-rehearse with Google, Michael Google as my coach, sinabi niya sa akin, so Fronia, are you ready for a comment na honest? Sabi ko, yes naman, kasi gusto ko matulog. Sabi niya, doesn't mean that you can do so. So sabi ko nga, dahil nag-comment siya ng gano'n, ano na ako, kung ba, nag-aalangan akong i-explore, pero na-realize ko na tama din naman siya. Kaya sila tumatagal sa industriya kasi tama yung ginagawa nila. And I'm excited for learning. Well, I think, I think hindi siya, I felt na mas naging effective siya. Kasi mas nakita ko yung difference na, kumbaga, kasi personally, kumbaga, minsan lang kasi tayo bibigyan ng opportunity when you have the performance, gusto mo lahat ng pwede mong ibirit mo para, ayan na lahat. Pero, na-realize ko na dapat pala dahan-dahanin mo rin para meron silang abangan for next performance. Tsaka ano lang nila, bibilangin lang nila na, ito lang yung ginawa niya, ito lang yung ginawa niya. So, that makes it more effective.
Something that kailangan mo i-share mo.
Oh, wow.
Or do you still feel that?
Alam mo, personally, I want to be honest talaga. Being competitive, hindi talaga siya mawawala sa akin. Not because I wanted to be better than others, but I wanted to be better than myself before. Kasi kunwari, nakita ko yung performance ko, sabi ko, kung ginawa ko ito mas maganda. Kaya dapat, nandito pa rin sa atin yung competitiveness kasi nakakatulong siya sa mga tao talaga, especially for me. And hungry kasi talaga ako. So I'm a hungry man sa opportunities, sa chances. So I think competitiveness is helpful. Yeah. Tsaka I think comparing yourself and being competitive to others could also mean positively, you know? Kunwari, pag-usapan natin si Miss Between and Sir Jen. So may mga kaya sila na hindi ko kaya. That, from there, I could use that as an inspiration na ano kayang kaya nila na pwede kong subukan at kahit hindi ko man mahigitan at kahit hindi ko matapatan, pwede kong gawin yung element ko na matatapatan ko yung energy kahit papaano lang. But positively, in a positive way, hindi yung kailangan ko naman si ganito kasi unang-una, nagre-respetuhan kasi kami. And more than the friends kasi dapat. Wala nang okay na yun. Mabait naman yung mundo sa akin. So hindi ko dapat isipin na maging unkind. Thank you. Hi. Yeah.
Yung mga pina-idolize nyo lang before, ano po yung learning na nai-a-apply nyo na since the years ago?
Pinakamalaking learning.
Pinakamahalaga
Is to be present. I think one important lesson that I learned all throughout this journey is to be present. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon to sing in this specific event, Kahit hindi ka 100%, don't show them na hindi 100%. Kasi pag nararamdaman nila yun, hindi na ikaw yun eh. And ngayon kasi mas maganda na yung music mo, mas maganda na yung crowd natin kasi they are always understanding and there's beauty in imperfection. So kahit hindi ka perfect, but when you make them feel that you're perfect, that's effective. At mas nararamdaman ng tao yun. Kasi tao tayo eh. Hindi naman tayo perfect eh. But we are closer to what's more perfect than the imperfect. Yeah.
Why for you was it important to be?
It is very important to be a team player kasi kaya ko siya tinawag na team player kasi isa kayong team. Dapat wala talagang lumabang. Kasi may kanya-kanyang element yung isang tao na doon sila magaling. Na hindi pwede lahat kayo pares ng pagalingan. So may it be si ganito, mas magaling sa ganito, si ganito, mas magaling sa ganito. Then, just respect it and be a team player kasi makakatulong talaga sa iyo. It keeps you grounded. Singer in mind? Oh wow. Yes, I'm talking about, this is an international singer. I'm talking about Jelly Roll. He's not very familiar here, pero he's a country singer. Pero mostly yung kinakanta niya is worship. Ang ganda kasi ng mindset niya eh. Tapos when you get to listen to his songs, nakakatuwa, grabe magsulat, grabe yung heart niya dun sa craft niya. Grabe talaga. So I hope na i-check niyo. Jelly Roll is very good.
Magre-wrestling siya next week.
Ano?
Magre-wrestling siya next week.
Service lang. Ito ba?
Yeah.